Guys, so for the next 1 hour, I just thought of something. I'll just go on this Reddit. I'm going to go to Gemini. I'm going to build a business in, I don't know, maybe 1 hour. I'm not sure how this is going to long, how long this is going to last. I'm just going to look for a business, a micro SaaS. I think I'm just going to build it, launch it, and just put it on autopilot and forget about it. This video is for you if you want to build a business and you're very lazy about it. I'm actually not lazy about it, but you might be lazy about it and you just want to build it, fix it on autopilot, and see if it can fetch money for you. So let's get right into the video. I'm just going to start recording my screen right now and start. Yeah. Okay, now in the video, this is my email. I'm not supposed to open this page, and this is my Gemini chats. So I'm just going to say something like, okay, I am starting a business, starting a business. Nope, that's the wrong. I want to build a business in 1 hour and fix it on autopilot. Start to spell pilot. Okay, autopilot. It's going to understand probably. Not autopilot. I want to finish this in 1 hour. Give me ideas. I can code in Python. You can code in Python, and I have a subdomain. I have a domain, but I'm just going to create like a subdomain something. I have a subdomain. I would like to use GitHub workflows, and what again? And okay, that's all. Let's see what's going to generate for us. So I'm just going to run this and wait for it. Okay, this is an exciting and ambitious challenge. Building a business and putting it on autopilot in just 1 hour, leveraging Python and GitHub workflows requires a very narrow focus and strong understanding of automation. The, the key here is micro business or micro as, yeah, that's what I mentioned earlier. Something extremely simple. It's very specific, repeatable task that can be fully automated. Here's some ideas, keeping your constraints in mind. Okay, core principles for success in 1 hour. iPad niche. Don't try to solve the problem. Focus on tiny, specific pain points for a small audience. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Simple value proposition. Okay. No user account complexity. Okay. Leverage existing platforms. Okay. Don't build anything from scratch. Use API or existing services. GitHub workflows as the engine. Okay. Okay. Subdomain for front end. Okay. Alright. Okay. Business idea focus on automation. Okay, now this is where it gets interesting. Automated content rewriter slash summarizer, email based. So emails, users email you a piece of text, an article, link, a paragraph, and your system automatically rewrites for conciseness, different tone, or summarizes it. The email then emails them back the results. Okay, monetization free with limits, paid, then a paid tier, 5 free rewrites daily, then subscription. Okay, I don't really like this idea because a lot of people now get it. Like a lot of people are like, how will I say this? I don't even know about tools like Grammarly, like Quillbot. So I think I'm just going to skip this for now. I might come back to it. So let me see. The second idea is automated image resizer and converter. Okay, email based. Wow. Okay, users email and image, JPEG, PNG, specify desired dimensions, format in the subject body. Your system resizes, converts it, and email the processed image back. Okay, I think I like this. I think I like this idea. So, okay, let me check the third idea. Simple file format converter. Upload just email. Concept: convert specific document types. Mark down to PDF. No, 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 no. Nah, I don't like this. Okay, GitHub workflow. Oh, this is still the same idea. Okay, so this is talking about. I think this is the first idea. I don't. I'm just going to go back to the second idea. More ideas, please. Automated social media post generator. Okay, I don't want to connect with any open API, open AI, ChatGPT, yada yada yada. I just want something simple. Okay, I think I found something interesting. Simple SEO keyword scraper, ideator. Okay, user email you call topic, a competitor URL. Your system uses an API like SERP API for Google search results, or a simple custom scraper for related searches to find relevant long tail keywords. Okay, I think I like this, but it sounds boring a bit. Okay, RSS feed. Okay, so I think I should go for the second, yeah, the second idea of the second chart. It's simple SEO. So I'm just going to do, I'll just say I will like these. I like to work on these. Let's see how it goes. Okay, select choice. Okay, go with script. Okay, check the dedicated email box. Face the email subject body for a topic you are uses SERP API. So just need to make a search about these guys. SERP search with Google. Okay, this is fair. This is fair. I'm just going to build on this. Yes. Okay, phase one. Go to yes. I'm already on SERP API. Just going to go to register. Then sign up with GitHub. Oh, these guys want me to. Okay, I think I have it. Just going to go and copy this. Authorize. I could have just used my Google sign in. That makes life easier. Okay. I'm just going to go with the free plan because I'm just testing this out. I've not started like either as a real business yet, and I'll probably do that in the next 30 minutes. So I'm just going to non commercial use only. What? Okay. They sent an email to me. Just check. Okay. Confirm your email. Okay. Verify your phone number. Just want to put that's not working. So I don't make this video too long, so I'm just going to pick another idea because I still have the opportunity to switch to another idea. I just kind of like gave up on the idea because I was thinking about it again. It requires like still extensive work, so I'm just going to pick another idea. Please, I'm changing my idea. Give me a list of ideas. AI email subject line generator. Now, product description short now, expander. Now, basic meeting minutes summarized. Okay, I think I like this. User emails one meeting notes text. The system and summarize them into a key decision action items and next steps using AI. Then emails the summary back. Okay, I'm just going to bookmark this. Data utilization, utility automation. Okay, this is a category. Website screenshots generator. User sends a URL. System uses a screenshot API. Okay, or a headless browser to capture a full page screenshot and then email it back. Provide a direct link if hosting image temporarily. Ah, no, I don't want to work on that. PDF text extractor, email based. User sends a PDF document. Your system extracts all text from the PDF, emails it back as a plain text or directly in the email body. Now, the reason I'm rejecting all these ideas because I have seen something similar to them before, and I just hope I don't want to go into that space where I start competing. Actually, any idea I want to work on right now, I feel there are a lot of people doing it already, but I don't want to just go into a very too like crowded space. That's why I'm just too skeptical about some ideas here. Tweet storm. User sends user email a long piece of text or an idea. The system uses AI to break it down into a cohesive Twitter thread, multiple tweets, numbered, and emails it back. Nope. User emails a call message or topic for an article such as the system generates. I don't want anything related to AI. I don't want anything related. That's very related to AI and external APIs. I want I don't want external APIs. Yes, so let's go. I think CFD to JSON, JSON to CFD converter. These are emails to CSV file. The system converts it to JSON or vice versa. Okay, I think I like this. JSON debug. Okay, so I think I found it perfect. Yes, I found it perfect. I needed to work on. So it's the URL extractor. So let's say you send long text, this to just email back all the links from the text to you. I think that's fair. I can work on that. So let's jump right in to this. I like number 6. What's going on? Okay, so okay, so these are the code for the. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new repository. So a repository. So let me explain this. So in case you are non-technical and you want to follow the same step I'm following, so I'm just going to go to GitHub. So GitHub is like a platform where we share source code, we share our documentations. Yeah, it's like a collaboration platform. But aside from the collaboration aspect, it also works for automation. Like it has a workflow feature where you can create systems where it's automated. It automates processes. That's what I'll say. Yeah, automates processes. So let's get started with this. Okay, it's only fast I need. So first, you need a dedicated email account. For this case, I have a personal work email, but I'm not going to use that because the hosting service I use, they're a bit slow. I can't rely on them, so I'm just going to use a free option, and it works for you if you just want to try out what I'm doing exactly too. And it's going to be Gmail. Yeah, Gmail. You can actually use the Gmail account. So I have 2 Gmail accounts, and I'm just going to use the second for this scenario. So I'm just going to I'm not going to create a new. See, for you can create a new dedicated email address for this service, or you can use your work email, whatever works. Then usually enable IMAP access for this account settings. You need to, you need the IMAP server settings. That's if you're using it like a work email something. Change an app password. Regular password often don't work with IMAP. Yeah, I know what they're talking about, and I'm going to talk about it later. So create a new public GitHub repository. So I'm just going to put this as GitHub repository. So github.com. This is my GitHub. I'm just going to click on create new repository and impute the name, URL, email extractor. Leave the description. Okay, make it public. Add a readme file. Create a repository. I'll go back here. Yes. Yeah. Main.py, requirements.txt. Okay, So I'm going to create these files. And interestingly, I won't have to. Oh, I really need to. I need to. I need to. Okay. So I was thinking I was not going to use any code editor because I already have I have this, but I will need this so that I can create all the files on my laptop. So new window. I'm going to wait for that to load, and while I do that, I check the instructions. Okay, I think this is opening already. Oh, new window. I just have to close this. This is like my personal project. Okay. So you just follow every single thing I'm going to do right now. I will not necessarily explain what I'm doing because there are a lot of things to cover inside them, but just follow exactly what I'm doing so that you can get it correctly. So I'm just going to open my terminal. You can open your command prompt on Windows. It's terminal or shell. They call it shell or terminal on Linux and on Mac. So let's run this git clone this URL, this repository. So clone that. Just going to copy this. So it's created a folder. So what this is going to do is going to create a folder and have these projects inside it. So I'm just going to change directory into this. So if I list directory, you see the readme that we created when we are creating the repository. This file, I mean. So I'm just going to come to the Gemini instructions. So we need this file. So I'm just going to run touch, then also touch. So touch means to create a file. So I'm creating a file. Also touch this, then make directory .github cd, then make directory again. Because around this is how workflows are being structured in GitHub. So I'm just going to create a new directory called workflow and cd workflow, then create a file called main.yml. Touch. So whenever you're creating a file, you use touch. Then when you're creating a folder, you use mkdir as make directory. So that's done. I'm just going to go back to and write this code dot. This code dot is going to open this current working directory in on my VS Code. Yeah, on VS Code. So yes, you can see here. You can see all the files I've created: main.py, environment.txt, and if you check, you see main. So these are the files I've created. You can actually open the same folder on VS Code and just manually create the files here too. That works also. So I'm just going to, okay, on requirement.txt we need this. So on requirement.txt we need a package. The name of the package is IMAP client. So for main.py, this is the code for main.py. Yes, about 137 lines. Okay. Then for what do you mean? Okay, they asked us to modify main.py, and this is so interesting because they just provided main.py. I'm wondering why it's still asking me to update it, and I won't say lazy. I'm just going to tell it to give me the full updated code of main.py. That's like the secret. So I don't have to like start popping around. Okay, so for the I'm going to come back to that main.py, but I don't want to finish all the instructions for the first command. So this main.yml in my workflows folder work. I'm just going to paste this here. Yes, paste it up there. Then readme, I'm going to paste this here. Clear this, paste this here. Okay, so I'm just going to say give me a complete, give me not a, I need to be very careful here, give me the complete code of my main.py, and for context I'm using a Gmail account. Yes, so this is the complete, instead of me just jumping up and down, it just provided me complete updated main.py code. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it right here. Then let's see, this code reconnects. Okay, so let me go back to this instruction. Okay, before pushing to GitHub, ensure your main.py can connect to your email account. Email account. Okay, now I'm stuck somewhere. How can I run this on my machine? I don't want to do guesswork, so I'm just going to say, how do I run it directly on my, how do I run it directly on my machine? Yes, done this, done this, done this. If you've not installed Python, so you need to install it from python.org. I've done this. Remembered when I cloned it, it's created a folder named this. So I already created this and this, created this. You see, these are the same steps I followed. Okay, this I've not done yet. I'm going to do this. I'm just going to use one of my environment variables. So instead of just creating a new environment variable, I don't want to waste time on that. So okay, so I'm just going to start from here. So I'm here right now, step 4. I'm just going to go to I think of an environment variable. I've just use. I've created so much environment variables. Environment variables are like, um, let's say you are in a big house, and in that house there are rooms, and you can just, instead of just going to go and, let's say you want to sleep, instead of just going to sleep on once, like in a very large side of the room, you can just go to a small room and just lay your bed there, pack your things, and stay there. And that room you can do anything you want to do, mess it up. You don't have to affect the other places. That's just how environment variables work. So I'm just going to use one I've created before, and I'm just thinking of it. Okay, I'll use this. Mm, you can just follow the instructions on the Gemini um, font, but this is a bit advanced because you are not there when I created this environment variable. So just create the way the AI prompted you to create it. Or yeah, that's what I'll say. So just come here, copy this. I'm not supposed to have this CD, and this is not even my environment variable, so that's why I removed that. So yeah, that's activated right there. So CD, change this to my current working directory, CD, yes, then pip install requirement.txt. Let's see. Okay, yes, installing. Then I'm just going to export this. Okay, set up environment variables locally. Your script files rely on environment variables, yes. To get your email credentials, you need to get this in your local terminal session before running the script. Place the placeholder value is your actual Gmail device, especially the app password if you're using two-factor authentication. Okay, so I'm just going to paste this here. Email user. I'm just going to use this my email. Oops, this is freezing. Okay, I'm just going to wait for this to load. And while that does, I think I'll just use my personal email instead of wasting time like this. Go here, accounts, manage your Google account. For some reason I have to blur this out so you want to see some details. So personal info, I'm just going to search. I can't remember where I found that. Okay, I'm looking for something here, and it's the password. So this password thing is not your regular Gmail password, it's your, like, your account password. So you have two passwords. One is like, yes, app passwords, that's the name, app password. So you need app password. So I'm just going to say URL, email, create. Yes, copy this. If you don't copy this, you're not going to see it again. So I'm just going to paste it here where I copied this text. Okay, I think I'm done with that. Yes, I'm done with that. Let's go to copy this. My terminal, paste. Yes, exported. So I'm just going to run this. Okay, getting the bug. I want to copy this and save it in the text editor so I can come back to it and see how it goes. Oops, we have about 20 minutes left. I need to launch this business. Okay. Wow, this is super interesting and a bit hard because mail. Okay, so let me send an email to myself. Let me send instructions. Okay. Oops, let's block this in. I'm just going to copy all this because it still has the URL. So paste, spell text, hello. So I think this is like a configuration error, and without that, this code is not going to run. So I'm just going to paste this here to chat. So Gemini. Yes, okay, successfully connected. Oh, cool. Okay, so I don't know why that was having issues the first time. I think that was resolved. So sent. Let's see how it goes. Yes, I got the email. So where's the response? Yeah, it's the response. I'm not sure if that's how it's going to work, but I think it should be the response. I sent the email below and got no response. Trying to debug some things here. Copy. Let's see. Okay, I have just few minutes left. I'm probably gonna make another video talking about how this went, but I must send this video in 1 hour, so let's just see how it goes. Okay, share the complete main.py code. Wow, this is super interesting. I'm trying to still figure out why it's not sending the email yet, like responding back to me. And can you just respond? I haven't shut down since morning. Guess that's why it's like this. So I'm just going to wait for it to respond. But before that, I think I'm going to break this video into two parts because I think I realized I can't do this in a full video. But if that's not going to be the case, because I'm actually doing it live, I'm not editing this video like super editing it. I just want to see how it goes. And also, once this works out, I'm going to share the repository on this video description. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll be building in the next few days. I'll be publishing a lot of videos where I'll talk about how I'm launching a business, finding a new tool, things I just discovered in tech space that I think you should know about. So let me run this again. Okay. Oh, oh, that's bad. Something crazy just happened. Wow. Okay, this worked. Yes. So this worked so perfectly well. Not completely perfectly well because I'm currently facing a bug with it. Because not really a bug, because this is my personal email and I have a lot of emails. So it's basically going through my 7,000 past emails and sending back the emails that has a link back to the sender. So every email I've received for the past 6 years, it resends it to it gets the email, process the link, and send it back to the sender of that email. So that's what it's currently doing. That's how I bought it. I just press Ctrl C, so I bought it. So you should try this out with a new email, with a new Gmail account that haven't received past messages. So every message you now receive now will be sent back with the links of that email. I hope that helps you a bit. So now it's time to launch it. I'm just going to launch this. I'm done building actually. I'm done building. I'm just going to launch this application, this business rather. So let's see how this goes. So yes, I'm ready to launch apps. I have 10 minutes left, so I need to be very quick. I need to launch on GitHub and also launch as a business. So that's fantastic news. Okay, so these are the final things to do. So you're just trying to tell me I should verify that I've already done this, I've done this. Okay, I need to do this. So it's a hard commit, yes. My username for GitHub is TechJam. Password, just going to go and copy that somewhere. I hope I did not do something funny. I'm going to actually blur some videos, some part of this video so that my personal information won't get exposed, because I'm trying to build this in public, and let's see how it goes. Up. my keys expired. GH. Okay, I don't want to waste too much time. Let's go to settings. No, not that settings. These settings. Wow, I have just 8 minutes left. I need to be quick and fast as possible. That's still, nope, that's not gonna work. I'm so tensed right now. Okay, I think I'm going to extend this not longer than 1 hour. This is my first time building something like 1 hour and recording it live. I've done other things, but this is like first, and I'm just trying to be as fast as possible to keep to my promise. So developer settings, tokens, oops, I'm gonna not go and look for that. So I'm just going to put URL, oops, URL, and it to be 30 days. All repositories, permissions. That's freedom rights. I don't have time to start going through all this. I just want to put everything freedom rights. Freedom rights, 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 read and write, 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 read and write. Yes, I think. Okay, this. So create token. Generate token. Just copy this. Paste it here. So that I don't have to jump up and down for it again. Insert. Yes, so I've published this code to GitHub. And I'm just going to go back to my GitHub where it's these. Okay, go back to my repository. So to check, yes, my files are here 4 minutes ago. Okay, yes, I need to change all of this. Absolutely. So I have 5 minutes left. Yeah, I still have time. So I'm going to go to GitHub Actions. And before I go to that place, I need to go and set up my environment variables. So I'm just going to come down to Actions and new repository secrets and add a name to that. So I'm going to change it to my own details. So let me go back to Gemini. Yes, we've done this. Oh, I'm not creating a simple landing page. Okay, I'm going to create a simple landing page. Yes, I'm going to create a simple landing page. After that, in 5 minutes. So I have to be quick and fast as possible. So let me email user, copy, and go back to this space. Email user is going to be my weird email, not my weird email. Copy and paste. Need to be very careful here. Okay, add another secret email password. Have it right here. I'm going to come here. I need to get the email password for this one too. So I'm just going to go to my account. Wow, I have 3 minutes. I'm probably going to extend this video. Should I extend it? No. I'm going to launch this business today, here now. So I'm going to pack password. Yes. So app password. Must they ask for this? No. Oh, what is this? This guy just wants to slow down my work today. Okay. I just have to okay. I'm going to cut this part out. I'm so very, very pissed off right now. Okay, I'm just going to move on. I will just imagine I have done this path. I'm going to do it off the video because it's kind of like I have to do my password and all. But you can see, then just do all this. Then my website, I'm just going to ask it to give me a good SEO optimized landing page for my business. Should be in plain HTML and CSS and responsive, and make it easy for LLMs to script. And yes, so let me see how this goes. Okay, so let me see the preview. Oh, this is not responsive. I don't like this design. Oh, it has to be like, since it's okay. I'm just going to go with this. So just head over to my hosting, guys. So I use light hosts. They are very extremely cheap. They are new and cheap, and they're not really um expensive. So if you want to get started with them, I'm going to drop a link in the description. It's kind of like maybe a referral or whatever you call it. Or I just want to tell you more about them so you can get started with them. So I'm just going to log in to my account, and I'm going to go to subdomains. Let me see if I have a domain I can use for these. So domains, and see all my domains. I think I'll use this. Nope. Test. Let's see what's on test. Test is currently blank, so I think I'll use test. Yeah, I'll use test. So I'm just going to go back to tools and go to file manager. Wow, 3 minutes, 1 hour 10 minutes, and I'll go to tests. Select all and delete all this trash. Now create a new file, index.html, create a new file, edit, and yes, save, success. Now read all these. Yes. Woo! We have a business up and running already as it stands. So what I'm just going to do now is I'm just going to make a post on Reddit, on Twitter, as X, on my Instagram, on my WhatsApp, on my everywhere I find. I'm just going to make a post, and you can just test this. I'm going to post the email. So the email is going to be this email. So once you just send the link, just send it to this email, whatever the address is, just send it to this email, and boom, it gets your link and emails that it discovered script out. So I'm just going to launch this on Reddit right now. Reddit has come. So I will still need AI to help me with this. I'll just say, okay, I need help with launch tests. No, not tests. It's launch messages for Reddit, X, Facebook, and all my social media platform, and including building this code. I want to save a lot of time instead of just joking around with text. Just copy and paste. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I'm just going to launch this. I'm just going to post this. I was thinking about posting it after cutting this video, but I think I will do this right now. So I'm just going to post this. So side project here. Side projects. This side project or side projects. Okay. Create post. Yes. I built a simple Python box to instantly extract emails, URLs and emails from any text via email. No sign up, no ads. So here's how I'm going to monetize this business. Since it's a free tool, so for every email it sends out, like, let me show you what I'm talking about. So remember the issue we had. So see, yeah. So this you extracted emails, extracted URLs and emails. So you can see. So this is chess.com. So I have a record of every email it's sending out, and I can just create a new list and create another up, how I call it. And I'm going to make a video about that next week. So just subscribe and just turn on the notification bell, so when I upload a video you get notified that I've launched the future. So I'm going to post this on Reddit. Feels a bit a simple video. No sign up, no ad. Here it is. Oh, he puts the most unique part of it all in yes. That's why I'm so excited about this project, because I built it in this here. Let's copy these. And copy these. Yeah, That's all. Hopes this post also by Reddit filters. Oops. Ups. Not bad. Still gonna try again. Now to Twitter or X. I'm just gonna make a post. But I'm not just making a post on my own personal account. I'm going to make it on a community, in a community, and the name of the community is building public. So I'll just make a post. Where can I post this? Okay, post. Yes, building public. Separate this. Just put this here. And boom, I am done with this. Okay, that's all for this video. I'm going to show you. So this is like the first version, and it's already running on autopilot as it stands, because this post can go viral and I'm gonna get a lot of visits, a lot of views, and that's how I build a business in 1 hour. Yeah, in 1 hour I have a business running, and let's see how this goes in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and even 6 months. Thank you so much for staying till this time if you are still watching this, and I just believe you can launch something today, right now. Just get up this video and start building. Yes.